at Bridge Street. I can already see the tunnel getting brighter. Inside. Okay, so just arriving at St Enoch. Next up Buchanan Street, where I'm getting off to get to Glasgow Queen Street. Something's gone a little wrong here. Not sure what's happening. Brake ass or emergency ass. Welcome to Buchanan Street. Buchanan Street, quite a cool station. It's one of those which used to be an island platform, and then they cornered it off with these glass bits. So it's got quite an interesting stair layout, but we're going to use the travelator to get to Queen Street, whilst the rest of the family's going to go shopping. But look at all these stairs! Oh my gosh. So I think we should come up here. I mean, this is the only way we can go up. Alright, gonna have to get out the trusty old ticket again. So I've got my ticket once more, here we are. Let's just scan. Go through. Right. Now I am sure there is some ways to get to Queen Street. So we won't take this, we are gonna go along here to get to Queen Street. I'm gonna use a travelator. Uphill one as well. Let's take onto the hip. On the travelator. On the travelator, going up. So this is the first ever travelator I've seen in a metro system. Or a subway, depends what you want to call it. Pretty cool actually. And I've never seen a travelator going uphill. I've only ever seen them in airports and they don't tend to go uphill. So this is new. Now we're at Glasgow Queen Street at the end of the travelator, which I think this is a new entrance. Can someone please tell me when this was made in the comments? Thank you very much. First thing I see is one of the Inter-7 cities caused by freeze. Look at those. What's nice is it's not like you can't get to them either. You can get a very good view from here. Behind is a class 385. I really could not be that interested in one of those. I'm interested in this beast. Look at that thing. So we're at Glasgow Queen Street, but on the suburban network, which is like, I call it Glasgow's second subway, because it's like National Rail, except it's underground, parts of it. All the bits in the city centre. Like, London has a DLR, which is like a bridge train. It goes on bridges. Almost all of it's on bridges, except some of it's underground. But this is almost all underground in the city centre. All in ditches or something. Quite a wide platform. It used to be yellow. It's based, you can see it. Let's take a seat on the bench. So, we got some signs here showing where different places are. So you got this is the westbound line, and it goes Charing Cross then Partick. So we're going up to Partick and then back via Glasgow Central. That's the plan. There's a trampoline. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Maybe a 318? No, 334. Gotta be. Or is it a 320? It's a 334, I bet. It's a 334! AKA the Scottish Juniper. Queen Street. I think it's a 334. It is a 334. Where are all the 320s? Let's get on here. 334. First trip ever on a ScotRail train as well. Glasgow's second subway.
This train is for Glasgow Central. The next stop is Charing Cross.
334, hello. ScotRail. So I'm going to walk up and down the train. It already takes you to Partick, so I'm not going to go that far. It's only going to take 5 minutes. So the first stop is Charing Cross. Definitely feels like a Juniper, because I've been on the 458 quite a few times. We are moving. The toilet area, I do say this is actually a very nice train. It fits Scotland and Glasgow very well. We are leaving Queen Street. And we are into the tunnel. We've got 3+2 seating here. There's a disabled area. Is the loo open? Toilet engaged, no.
We are now approaching Charing Cross.
That was quick.
Please mind the gap when alighting from this train.
Charing Cross should be arriving soon. Can't see anything out the window, unfortunately. So you can see a little bit. Also, the seats are very comfortable in my opinion. Like, these are nice. They collect a bit of dust. Coming into Charing Cross. Hello, hello, hello. I can feel us speeding up a little bit. So this is the North Clyde Line, and there's the South Clyde Line, which goes via Queen's
This
Central.
is Charing Cross.
And this is the North
This
Clyde
train
Line.
is for Glasgow Central.
We'll be arriving at our stop, Partick, soon, which is where the Glasgow subway interchanges, and it's actually one of the only proper interchanges on the whole of the subway with the suburban network. So this is where the North Clyde Line and the South Clyde Line meet, I think. And I think also the Riverside Museum here, the BBC place along there. So we're not far from the river, as you can see over there. Well, quite a scenic view. This bit reminds me of the DLR in London. That'll be the Riverside Museum because I can see a boat. We'll be going there later on. So all the trains on the North Clyde Line and I think the South Clyde Line as well are all overhead powered. So you won't find any diesel trains here, nor will you find any third rail trains. They won't go on this. Class 334. I actually really like this train. Looks quite nice as well. So that's the parking for Helensburgh Central. Just a bit far from here. I wonder where it started. We're at Buchanan Street, and we might get a scenario where both trains come in. We get one coming in here.
Please watch it. Walk on the line, please, when the doors are closing.
Simply waiting on our one to come in. Maybe as this one's leaving, our one will come in. I'm not too sure actually. I can hear rumbling in the tunnel already. We'll see. Ah, wait. the train once more. So now we're on the subway to St Enoch, one stop. I think we're already pulling in, and we're going to go from Argyle Street to Glasgow Central via the South Clyde Line. Welcome to Argyle Street station. I think it's the South Clyde Line. I actually don't know what we're on, but the train is coming. I think I can actually see... I think that's Glasgow Central down there. That is actually Glasgow Central. That is ridiculous. So this station is yellow, which means it's fantastic. It's not the prettiest of all stations, but I like it. Because it's got an island platform. And the platforms are red. Also, this is cool. It's narrow. Look at that, narrow. So we are reviewing because it's Glasgow Central down there. So our train, we take it to Glasgow Central for no reason. We're going to literally be here for about 10 minutes, just waiting for a train to take us to Glasgow Central, when we can see Glasgow Central from the station, but who really cares? Honestly, I quite like this station, even though it's yellow and it's kind of dark and gloomy. It's cool.
Train arriving at platform 2 is the 12:08 service to Motherwell. This train is formed of 6 carriages.
Okay, that means it's 2 units stuck together, and it's not a 334, that's for sure. What would it be? Could it be a 318? It's a 318, I bet. Is it a 318? It's a 318! It's a 318! Welcome to a 320! And 320 stuck together, as usual.
Please be aware that this station has no tactile booking on the platform edge.
Past 320. Coupled to a 318. Wonder what the number is. Head to Motherwell. That is the 320. With a 318 at the front. Our train should follow suit. Okay, so we're still at Argyle Street. Our train's due in 10 minutes. It's yellow, still, believe it or not. You saw the 320 and 318. I have no idea what our train is. Can someone please tell me what this line is? Is it like the South Clyde Line? Because we went on the North Clyde Line after. Is it the South Clyde Line? I honestly don't know. But we're going to take it to Glasgow Central and we're going to look at some trains there. And then we'll probably get back on the subway and cross off some stations on that. So see you then. Our train is now approaching the station. I don't know what it's going to be. It's a 318. 320. Coach unit. Very nice indeed. On board the 320. Got a mini table. So we got 2+3 seating over here. Once again, very comfy seats. So we've got a mini table. We'll now be leaving Argyle Street. subway coaches instead.
We are now approaching Glasgow Central low level. Change here for
See flights?
services from Glasgow Central High Level Station.
Should be approaching. Also an island platform? Yeah. Okay, pushing off. Here we are at Central. Old poles. There seems to be some way to get out. Yeah, in the middle. It looks like there used to be an old platform here. Because it's very wide, this bit. The explanation. So, welcome to Central. Maybe an old track used to be there? Oh, hello. This is quite cool.
The next train at platform 16 will be the 12:26. Service to Argyle, Argyle Street, Buchanan, Argyle, Buchanan, North Clyde Line,
My, look at this place. What's this way for? Subway. Another one's just pulling in at Govan. So, we're riding to a few stops. We'll be getting off. So, Kinning Park, we'll probably get off. And West Street. That's where we'll be getting off at. Something's going on because we've been here for a while now. Not quite sure. Departing Govan, or Govan, I don't know how to pronounce it. Next station Ibrox. That was where the depot connects. Arriving at Ibrox. Pulling into Cessnock, the grey station. Bye-bye, Cessnock. See here, the seats get narrower because this is where the train gets narrower. Train arriving into Kinning Park, the pink station. Mind the gap.
Trains when the doors are closing.
Here we are at Kinning Park. still see the tracks right there. That's pretty shallow. Kidding Park, the pink station. Got this square bit over here. Could someone explain that? Because I don't really know what this is the purpose of. Train is in 5 minutes. Also, why are there no benches? Explain that. Out to the train arriving. That is not ours though.
Any passenger requires assistance, please ask the staff at the ticket office.
Before you can even see any of it, before it even says it's anywhere near, you can hear them echoing through that tunnel. Taking this one to West Street. Station. West Street, the big yellow one. The outer will be approaching now. This is West Street, which is a weird one, I'll be honest. road along here somewhere. It's actually got quite a nice interior compared to some of the other stations I've seen. Bendy Passage. Yeah, I like this place. This one's probably one of my favourite stations on the subway. It's the platform. It's kind of like a slant. Not sure if I can picture that one. That one's funny. River. Let's call this the River Subway, as I can still see part of the old branding with the green and the other shade of green. I can also see a bit of the green branding there. The station actually holds a few more secrets of the train. Sounds like it's coming in. No. Another rumble coming from that direction. Oh, we're going to come in at the same time. So outer came in first, inner sounds like it's near. Starting from West Street, we're going to Bridge Street where the hotel is. That might be us done for today, although there might be something later, I'm not too sure. So, bye baby. Okay, we're on the bus. Number 6. No. Wait, you stop.
يعني 4
When she gets to the bus, it's order.